those of you who are socialites like me, you know what it means in the night. Next week, government is going to roll out opening up, right? So we begin having the bars again, begin having all these people who are economically constrained, looking for how to make ends meet. The worth of a person goes away at 5,000 shillings. The worth of a person, 5,000 shillings. Because you know our streets here, you know that our proceeds sell for 5,000, right? 5, 10,000. Oh, is this news to you? The street of Pia, I can tell you this without fear, has a bar that has behind a free room for customers where you can pick a girl from there, go before you finish your first beer, go finish it first and then you come back, then continue to take your beer, then you can give her a beer if she cooperates. And the room is free. If you're moving in front of this bank, it's called what? And we all know this way in this town. There's this bank on the way to Peje, Acholi Road. If you're moving at 7 o'clock, keep looking on the right. There's a small corridor with always lights dropping. The door is always permanently closed, but there's lights before it. Those of you who know video halls for in the past, 20 years ago, there's that light that is always there. That one is an unconventional lodge for those unscrupulous people. Those of you who know there's this open space that used to be some agricultural tractors used to be sold, and then it was Barclays Bank. You've seen that corridor? 3,000 shillings. Just talk to the security guy there, who is there when you've bought your proceeds. Just go there. There's no room, by the way, so you'll find out how you're going to do it from there. 3,000. The corridor behind Piero, there are those security that are supposed to protect the structure. They're also doing business. So we are talking about the indignity of a woman at 3,000, 5,000. At 10,000, you're a lord, right? Finally, on that, I'm talking about sexual rights of women. A woman makes an alarm, that's the most rightful thing, and opens up to the husband that my boss is trying to take advantage of me. She never gets any institutional support for doing the right thing. What many women are going through, many women are being, you know that, you know that better than I do. How they're trying to take advantage of you for a promotion, how they're trying to take advantage of you for a favor of it. You know it better than I do. And then the woman raises the issue, raises the husband, and we go and torment and taunt the woman on social media, and look at women, trying to blame this woman for taking a decision. That is respectful. Now the institutions that we respect, instead of speaking up to defend this woman, did you hear voices defending that woman in Omoro? Did you? Did you hear women? Maybe I didn't get it right, maybe I was not on. Never! That woman should have been defended, and that is our right. That is what we do as not-for-profit, defending the sexual rights of that woman. We want to listen to the women. The women should don't stop at saying, please, because that is the work of an advocate. Let's stop this slogan, women's rights, women's rights. Then we are the first to abuse, we are not even there for those who show cause where we have to belong.
My name is David Martin Alike. I'm a trainer for the United Nations Security Resolution 1325.